Odo wok Nairobi ni dwaro JSU, idwaro police aboro, ang'wen JSU, ang'wen police. Tiyan maton wanka so yera an koro wan nende wasoka wangen wadwa de wa oksiaya. Do you know what happened? Negi set to aptitude test. Joking, you have 10 minutes to answer this question. So number 1, and write your name. Number 2, your district. Inyan magi simple questions. Karagi wodi wiekae to gingek magi wara pen. Kagi chopo pinga do not write anything on this paper. You stand on your own. Okiwa ninga tumai. Ngecheni gimane ge test kumwane, you should be going through the question. Whatever the time. Koro negirango your intelligence. IQ. Ema test kumwa. Ema ng'eny wanogore ko piny.
Masani mango kapari.
O kapani gitimo nikigiranga soya. And you see we were satisfied. In fact, kumwanga chiri kende manudo. So how they could thought again when they could walk back, they had to ring Nairobi, Zimbabwe, and Nepotine. We decided to leave and do other things. But so you see, that was a proper procedure. Yes, I have my own uncle's son who went to Kenya Army. Manager from Fodo to Jalwen Moracho. No, let's take this one from National Youth Service. This from 2 guy, let's take him. Don't you return warrant officer too. If he had cheap recruiters, Kakama giving another cow, the Kanaja class of Biroman Pesa Tiwe, and he was doing electrical. Nyoti Nairobi Koti Nyakatheka. So the problem is, how do we move forward past these institutions more creative? Nitie jomatha go Kenya, to mi okoroji bawi president gweche mang'eny.
To Nduku watimo nang'o kaluwore ni nitiere jok ma hawinjo ero kaki wacho ni chando wijo Kenya, kaito bende gi chando president gi weche mang'eny. Samoro entiere kartelo, kate kom martelo, magin magichung'ne chendo duto mitimo kobila. Kata kamano en bende jatend piny okete gimomiyo. Ntiere wach kata lengo ma en go kode. Ere kama dhi yude dwoko?
Ing'eyo, President with too many advisors who should be able to call back to order. Now, why is this happening? Tongama is not serving, he should just sack. Ingeni Arambe House is not for what they are doing today. Arambe House no one kabere Kenya kone go ligara wang to one Arambe House. Kada parastatals mina mongo reping Arambe House. Arambe House no emo hold a lot of parastatals. Mange chenjo mende kokanyo nego bed highly intelligent. Human resource Mario nego bed perfect. Onego gibed jo my interest is free from any corruption. Nike privileges magin go bende ng'eny. So my view would be moving forward. President must call parliament to order. Jo yer wabe wa yeru wajumbe mabeyo. Nike kwa yeru wajumbe mabende kuthink. Gine mebro nwa nigi tero list magi piera ndek na joge. Ke jood wado kisiasa manyien. Kanyo be wode moro nitie wodo wargi moro nitie iwinjo. Nike chinge lady gi maraj. Ke kao sample sani. And I want you to take this. Ukai mo adwa no ukonywago. Ka yoro sample sani to the wuothi mier. Tibo nwanka dala manondi ki police mane ngato rais bugiki inspector. Kato gik OCPD. Jogo du to ya auto wargi dala no gin police. Koro gine mano chwe gin gibet police. That should be the question. Inyano wanka ota dala chiel. Dano police.
Nduku dong na winjo kinyiso joluo ni ka intiere e sirikal to nene jodala, jogweng, jopacho bendo yudo tije.
Ing'eyo, let me tell you, forget about politics. We must learn to do correct things. Iwinja. Tij police mapokwa ng'ao bobedo matek. Makuriji luore. Kijiwega ni tij police and go ngato pingo. Harass ngato no natoka wapi unaenda wapi. That is not the work of the police. No, man ok tij police. Police should be intelligent. Ngamoni obeni manage things. And ngamoni obeni investigate a case. Magda kaja telo ni interest ongi sene no. Kamedi no cannot happen. This is what we are getting. Iyan lady investigation nga tich mayot.
To ngama penjo ni sani ini kao rawiregi to king'iyo ngadho mar kata mana maxi kata grade